our massage rollers work. So these are our little crystal massage rollers. They are fresh from India and they are made with natural crystal gemstones. This one is a tiger's eye one, and they are specifically for using on your face. They feel amazing. The crystal is a really cooling, so you can really feel it really cools your face down. So basically it's really simple to use it. What you want to do is either use it on fresh skin when you've got out of the bath, or if I've just put some sort of serum on, and you can use that to kind of help that rub in, or just basically to help your face get a bit firmer. It kind of feels very smooth, it rejuvenates your skin, and basically all you have to do using the big end is sort of roll it all the way up your face. So we're going in an upward flow, because that's always the best for your skin. Even when you're putting makeup and cream on, it's always best to rub upwards like this, and it feels so lovely and cooling. Oh, it really does. And just feel it in your face. I apply kind of a nice medium pressure. Obviously don't hurt yourself, but you want to feel that you are getting the benefit of it. And then when I do around the eye area, you just use the small end. So again, just rolling up there, being really gentle around your eyes, but just rolling it up through there. Really good if you've kind of got bags under your eyes a little bit. It's great if you do it the day after you've had a little bit of a big night or a session. Really helps that. Just do it over various parts of your face like so, and it just feels really nice and rejuvenating. So they're really simple to use. I can tell now that this side of my face is like, come on. Why don't I feel the same? There we go. Feels really, really nice. And it helps to flush out toxins as well as you're doing it. That's one of the things that massagers do. It really helps to clean out your skin of any both negative energy or negative toxins that are in there. You can see my cheeks are going a little bit redder as it works its magic. Really helps to keep you looking young, helps to keep away those wrinkles, ladies. So go and have a look on our website and get one of these massage rollers. They come with free postage and packaging, which is a great deal.